This is Annabelle getting ready. Hi guys, me, Martini. Alright. I'm not really advising this, but
it'll be fun.
But you know, Annabelle had a stroke and all that stuff, so if she does get broken on this slide, then yeah, it won't be like anything out of the usual. Okay, she had some bubble wrap there for me too.
You want to do it too?
This is what you call a Chesapeake move here.
Okay.
Yeah, she's straight from Chesapeake. She got the rubber boots on too to prove it.
I got
the pink pants. The
Do you want yours?
Well, yeah, just in case. All right.
Or can I sit on
Get
that?
over there.
Why don't I sit on that?
Well, come on, hurry up. We're losing film.
Here, take my purse too. I don't want to crush anything in my purse.
Oh my fuck. This is gonna take all day.
Well.
Hi. Your phone's getting wet here, Annabelle. Come on, man.
Just wait.
Oh wow, this is kind of slippery.
It is. It's gonna be awesome. Here. Put it over your shoulder. Over your shoulder. Make sure my phone doesn't get wet.
All right, Annabelle, go.
Make sure my phone doesn't get wet, buddy. I need it.
This is it. I'm right behind you, Annabelle. Slow down! Oh, slow down! Slow down! Oh my God. Is she gonna go in the puddle? Ah! How the hell? Watch where you're walking. Here, take a picture of my ass for a second. Did it wet? Did I?
Yes, you got it wet.
I was going so fast I peed myself.